What's up, Mario Builds family? This your boy Google back at it again with another little video. Today we're gonna be doing that custom Carven exhaust on the Chevy Silverado 6.2. I got my helpers. Sheesh and sheesh. Están bien greñudas, hair everywhere. We just woke up early because we're gonna get to the shop early so we can get a good spot and get this truck taken care of. Alright guys, thanks for the support and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Sheesh. Alright guys, you can see the before. No work done on it at all. It's super quiet. Can't even hear shit. That's embarrassing, huh? You can't hear nothing. That's pretty much all the noise it makes. I'm surprised this has a 6.2, but with all the restrictions, muffler, resonator, everything that it has, you can't hear nothing. But you'll see the transformation after this work has been done with the Carven exhaust and see how it sounds. Sheesh. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the after. Everything's installed and then give you guys a nice little startup with this new setup. Let's get it. All right, so here we got that Carven exhaust, well, muffler, because I did my own setup. But you got that Carven muffler right there. And check out these tips in the back that I went with. Definitely makes the truck look a lot neater. Well, at least to my liking. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys that nice startup. Check it out. Honestly, let me know what y'all think. I absolutely really like the sound of it now. Even at idle, it sounds really nice. But yep, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for tapping in. We out.